Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a triple handbag unboxing. I'm so excited to show you these three handbags. I think I'm just gonna start off with the smallest one, the medium one, and then the big one. Ooh, the big one. If you happen to be new, consider subscribing. I make a lot of videos on handbags and luxury, but then also some fashion and style as well. So if you like girly things, this is my closet, then consider subscribing. And I also wanted to say what I'm wearing because I showed it on my Instagram stories and I got so many questions about it. So this is actually by L&M. I love her. I talk about her clothes all the time. This is very Chanel-esque and she gave me a discount code. It's just Shay10. So you can actually pre-order this. It's going to ship very, very soon. So I can link it down below. I feel like I'll get a lot of questions about it because it's such a cute t-shirt and the quality is really, really good. So let's just get into the very first handbag because I have three to show you. So this is the first one. As you can tell, it is pretty little, but guys, it packs a punch. I really think this is gonna be super useful and handy and functional. It's brand new, it's still available. Everything that I show today, I can link down below. But yeah, so it comes in this. I haven't looked at it yet. It is by Saint Laurent. So let's just pull it out. Okay. It is this YSL pouch. However, it's kind of like a handbag. I mean, kind of, but it's also a wallet and a clutch. Look how cool it is. It actually has card holder slots right here. So that is just like really good. Then you just slide it open and then you can fit your cell phone. You can fit, you know, just other like lip gloss, all kinds of stuff in here. And then obviously it has like the logo here, the YSL logo, it's gold hardware. And then another slot right here. You can remove this and actually make it like an evening clutch, or it could just be an everyday casual grab and go type of a thing. And that's what I really wanted. I love being kind of minimal. That's why I really like crossbody bags. I don't like to carry that much with me. And this just seems like something that I can always have my essentials in. But if I want to carry a bigger bag, like just a tote bag or just a bigger bag, I can throw this in and this be basically my wallet and my essentials, and I can just kind of move this around to different bags. But yeah, so this is the first item and I'm really excited. I think I'll get a lot of use out of this. So this next bag, I'm very excited about. It was sent to me, okay? So I want to be transparent about that, but it's because I have some of their other bags and I am beyond obsessed with them. I've recommended them in other videos, and so they reached out to me and said, hey, would you want this because it's brand new? And I was like, yes. Just when you see it, you'll kind of know probably why I'm going to like it. So it is by Sen Rev. Here is the box. So let's just open it. Again, haven't seen it. I've seen pictures. So it's wrapped very beautifully here. And yes, so it's in a dust bag. Okay, so let's see it. Whew, it's so pretty. Such a good color. So this is the Midi Maestra in the Dragon Storm color. So it's actually brand new, like the pattern and the texture. It mimics crocodile. It's obviously not crocodile. However, it's so pretty. No bag is the same, and I just love the style of this bag. I also have the mini version, which is actually over there. I could quickly show it to you. It's in a beautiful color, chestnut brown. I wear that as a crossbody lot. Then I have the big one that's right there. That's more for, you know, going to work, and it's really large. And this is the medium size. It's such a pretty gray color. I really like it. So let me just show you how you open it. You just go like that, and then you open it and it's zipped, and the inside is a beautiful suede color, and there's 8 compartments. It fits an iPad. Let's just take this out. And then here's the strap. And what's so cool is you can wear this so many different ways. I think 4 different ways. So you can obviously wear it over your shoulder like this, or you could do it crossbody depending on how tall you are. And then what's so cool is you can actually just pull out the straps and then it becomes a backpack. So it's just so versatile, and that's why I love it. And I just love the color especially. So a lot of times they offer really cool deals where if you spend a certain amount of money, they send you like a free envelope clutch or a free bracelet pouch. Like they have a lot of really amazing leather pieces. Seriously amazing. This is not sponsored by them, by the way. A lot of people I think sometimes think that they're paying me to say stuff and they're not. So anyway, this is an envelope clutch. I use this for a laptop holder. Like if I'm going places, it fits my laptop so well and the quality is so good. So anyway, check out their stuff. I can link them down below, but I really do like Senreve. But that leads me, let's get into the third and final thing that I want to show you guys. I'm so excited. Okay, so here's the box that it came in, and it is from FASHIONPHILE. Again, not sponsored, but I do have a secret. This is the only one that I already opened it. I'm sorry. It's just, it is pre-loved, and I didn't know exactly when I was gonna be filming this video, so I just wanted to make sure it looked okay, and you know, I only have a certain amount of time before I decide if I'm gonna send it back, so I just opened it. But anyway, it comes, like FASHIONPHILE items come super, super cute. I just highly recommend FASHIONPHILE if you're going pre-loved. You can save so much money. I say that all of the time, and I did with this particular bag. So let me just show you here's the dust bag that it came in. It's Chanel, kind of goes with my shirt a little bit. So let me just show you. And a lot of you, if you've been watching some of my recent videos, you might understand why I'm getting this. Other people might be like, what the heck are you doing? But here is my new Chanel backpack. So in a recent video, I was kind of knocking this backpack. Let me go get it. This is the Louis Vuitton Palm Springs backpack, which I really like it. Honestly, okay, this was my beef with it. I felt like it didn't go with a lot of my outfits because it does seem very masculine, especially the really gushy and comfortable straps in the back. They're comfortable, but I just feel like they're very masculine. And what's funny is I feel like this outfit, it would actually look really good with, but a lot of my outfits, it's just really sporty and I just don't really dress like that. So I find that I never really reach for this, even though I love it. It's in like pristine condition. I think it's really pretty. So anyway, I just wanted a backpack that I felt like would go with more of my outfits and I could just really use because I do really like backpacks. I mean, that's why I do like the Senreve stuff, because it turns into a backpack. But I wanted something that was like, you know, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, that sounds really bad, but I wanted something, I'm attracted to this style as well. So I found this on FASHIONPHILE and it's definitely used, okay? It's in really good condition. I would say the only problem with it is, as you can see, it's a little bit creased right here, but I really think if I kind of stuff it for a while, I can kind of mold that back. But other than that, I think it's in really, really, really good condition. This is called the Chanel Salzburg backpack. I'm pretty sure it is from around 2010, and it's in calfskin leather, which I really like. So it's not caviar, but it's not lambskin, which is really delicate. So I feel like it's, you know, you don't have to worry about it that much, especially since it's a little bit used. So I just feel like I can really just use it and not worry. And then it is ruthenium hardware, which is kind of like silvery. It's a little bit edgy looking, but still classy at the same time. It is in a burgundy color, which I really like because to me, black and burgundy is like the essence of Chanel. So some people might think this can only be worn in like the winter or the fall, and I think it would look great during that time, but I'm for sure going to wear this all year round because it's Chanel and it's burgundy, which is such a classic Chanel color. And I love how it has a turnstile lock, and then it fits, even though it's a little bit, it's not like too small, but it's like a medium size, so it fits a decent amount. I do have another dust bag in here. And then what is so cool about it is this front little pocket here, and the zipper is amazing. It has this Chanel logo, which is so cute. And then my favorite part, you guys know, if you follow me, I'm a sucker for back pockets, like little hidden back pockets that I can slide my cell phone in. It's just like easy access because even though this is a backpack, it does have this really cute, very Chanel-like chain that, you know, I can just walk around like this too. And I can put my cell phone back there. I can kind of wear it as a bag, but then easily and quickly switch it to just a backpack. Like, it's just so, I just think I'll really use it. So anyway, this is what I'm ultra excited about. I'm probably going to get a lot of questions about whether I'm keeping this or I'm selling this. I honestly haven't decided. If like you're interested in this, maybe I'll just check my description box down below. I'm still thinking about it. I don't know, because I really do like it. I just don't wear it. So part of me is like, I probably should sell it. I don't know. But you could email me, I guess. just check my description box. I'll think about it. And then this, I know that there's other ones still available on FASHIONPHILE. I think they have a larger size as well. So I will link some backpacks and some other things down below because, you know, like I said, you can really save a lot of money. I think I paid $1,800 for this, which backpacks for Chanel usually run $3,000 to $4,000. So I really saved a lot of money on this bag, and I don't have to baby it, which is just great. So anyway, this is my triple handbag unboxing. I know a lot of you subscribed to me back in the day for my luxury content, and I don't do like videos about this all the time, but when I do, I hope you guys really enjoy it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Consider subscribing if you haven't already, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.